Now, for my girlies who have dark spots and hyperpigmentation under their arms, and they just need a little more help with that and brightening that out. Hey, it is Victoria, and I am back with another video. So today's video is going to be all about armpit hygiene. If you are excessively sweaty in your armpit area, if you have dark marks, hyperpigmentation under your arms, if it's smelly, it's carrying an odor, all of that, we're going to cover all of that in today's video. So the first thing you want to make sure that you're doing, no matter what, however your armpits are, is you want to make sure that you are exfoliating your armpits. And the reason why is because when you go in to wash with a washcloth or just soap, it's just typically just gonna graze right over that. And that's because deodorant is designed to keep water out. So you need to get in there with something that has a little more abrasiveness, like an exfoliant. Exfoliants that I absolutely love are exfoliants like this, which is the Way. It smells amazing, it's luxurious, it's heavenly. And what it's gonna do, it's gonna break down all of the dirt, it's gonna break down that deodorant, it's gonna break down odor, it's gonna break down dead skin cells. So this is the Way. I love this. It smells so good. It's like a light coconut scent. This is so luxurious. I would dip my hand in so you guys can see, but I don't want to get sticky. I don't want to wash it off. Then if you are wanting to detox that area, which is what I would suggest because it's a lot of bacteria in this area, which for those of you who have odor, it's from that bacteria. I like this Kate Sommervile. It looks like this. And this is a great detoxifier, and it's a very mild exfoliant to use under your arms. So let me go wash this off. One of my favorite scrubs. I feel like I wasted that. Now, for my girlies who have dark spots and hyperpigmentation under their arms, and they just need a little more help with that and brightening that out, the exfoliant that I recommend is my absolute favorite. You guys already know is a papaya brightening scrub because it's designed to brighten the skin as well as exfoliant. So it's basically a 2-in-1, and it has papaya in it and raw cranberry, which are both great for brightening under the skin. That's why we can break down that old deodorant and reveal new skin cells so it can be nice and bright and clean. All right, so this part is for my girlies who notice they are leaving yellow sweat stains in their clothing, and God, that is so freaking hard to get out. But the reason why that is happening is 2 reasons. The first reason is because your sweat is mixing with your deodorant, and chemicals in your deodorant is causing that yellow stain. Okay, usually that chemical is aluminum, so you want to switch to an aluminum-free deodorant. The other reason is because our skin naturally is going to break down fats and proteins in our sweat with bacteria, and then that bacteria is yellow. So now that you know the reasons, let's go ahead and fix it. All right, so like I mentioned, the first thing you want to do is switch over to an aluminum-free deodorant. The kind that I like is by Native. It looks like this. I have this kind and I have this kind. And the reason why I'm showing you guys that I have both is because, I'm just gonna keep it real with you guys, is because this one right here, while it does help with stains, it does help with sweat stains. This is the one that says coconut and vanilla. So watch out for this one. The one that says coconut and vanilla, it does help with the sweat stains, but this deodorant is yellow. If you can see that, it's yellow, and then that deodorant is then transferred over into your clothes, onto your clothes. While that stain is not hard to get out like your sweat stains, but it's still annoying to have the stain left from the deodorant. The one that works well for me is this one. It's sensitive, it's aluminum free, it's Native, and it doesn't have that yellow color, it's just white. And so I don't have that yellow stain problem when I use this. Also, like we were discussing, bacteria in the skin. Now, girls, what you want to do, not just girls, guys, if you're watching this too, what you want to do is you want to kill the bacteria so it won't leave any stains behind in the first place. And what does that very well is witch hazel. Witch hazel, guys, is absolutely amazing under the arms. It helps with regulating sweat. It's an astringent, it's an antibacterial. What is great about this too, oh, and it has alcohol in it, which is also an antibacterial. And with this being an astringent, it helps regulate sweat. Basically what it does is it shrinks the pores and it makes it so you don't sweat. So move into my next subject, For my girls who sweat excessively, I would suggest witch hazel for the reason that I just mentioned, and aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is great. And basically what you want to do is you want to just apply this under your arm with a cotton swab and let it air dry before you put on your aluminum-free deodorant so you won't leave any stains. Now, for those of you who have stains in your shirts right now, or you have some tops that you couldn't get the stains out of, where is it? I wanted to show you how to get rid of it. Okay, I found it. So for my girlies who have yellow stains in your tops right now, you already know how tough that is to get out. I don't care if you use Gain, Tide, Dawn, it's not coming out. Just gonna say there. What does get it out though is this. It's by Nature's Miracle. It is a pet stain remover, and it works so well because it has an enzymatic formula that helps get out organic stains and odors. So I'm talking cat drool, dog drool, cat urine, and if you have a cat, you already know if it can get rid of cat urine, then we're good. Guys, this is amazing. All you have to do is take this on any top that you have that has a stain in it, spray this directly on that stain. After you spray it directly on the stain, let it sit for a couple of hours, and then put that in the washing machine, and then you can use your Tide or your Gain or what have you, and it will remove that stain instantly. This works so well. So it not only works for stains, it works for odors too. Also, for my girlies who struggle with hyperpigmentation under their arms, elbows, knees, I feel your pain. I struggle with the same things. I do have a DIY video on how to get rid of hyperpigmentation under your arms. It works like a charm. I'll make sure to link it below. I also just did a full shower routine on just how I brighten my skin in general, so I'll make sure to link that below. If you guys have any questions, just DM me or leave a comment in the comment section. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is @a_beauty_beast, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.